Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the exciting world of small manufacturing business ideas that promise high profit margins and low operating costs. If you're looking to start a business with a manageable investment and the potential for significant returns, you're in the right place. Let's explore some fantastic options. First up, we have personalized gifts. The demand for unique, custom-made gifts is always high. Think engraved jewelry, custom phone cases, or personalized mugs. The operating costs are low, especially if you start with online platforms like Etsy. You'll need some basic equipment, like a laser engraver or a sublimation printer. But the profit margins can be excellent. Next, consider soap making or candle making. These are popular hobbies that can easily turn into profitable businesses. The raw materials, such as essential oils, waxes, and molds, are relatively inexpensive. You can sell your products online, at craft fairs, or even wholesale to local shops. Marketing your products effectively is key to success. Another great idea is crafting eco-friendly products. With growing environmental awareness, there's a huge market for sustainable and reusable items. This could include reusable shopping bags, beeswax food wraps, or bamboo utensils. The initial investment might be slightly higher due to sourcing eco-friendly materials, but the demand and potential for premium pricing are significant. Let's not forget about digital product manufacturing. You could create and sell 3D printed items, such as phone stands or custom toys. 3D printers are becoming more affordable, and the materials are relatively cheap. Selling your designs online through platforms like Shapeways can minimize overhead costs. The possibilities here are vast. Another idea is producing artisanal food products. Think small batch jams, jellies, or gourmet snacks. This requires careful adherence to food safety regulations, but the profit margins can be quite high, particularly if you source local, high-quality ingredients. Farmers markets and local stores are great places to start. Consider also producing small batch cosmetics and skincare products. With a focus on natural ingredients, you can tap into the growing market for organic and chemical-free beauty products. Starting small and selling online or at local markets allows for low overhead costs. Remember to prioritize safety and proper labeling. Finally, let's look at the production of handcrafted leather goods. This can include wallets, belts, or bags. Leatherworking can be a rewarding craft with high profit potential. While the materials can be a bit costly up front, the perceived value and durability of leather goods can justify premium pricing. Learning the craft is also an enjoyable journey. In conclusion, these small manufacturing business ideas offer the potential for high profits and low operating costs. Remember to research your chosen market, create a solid business plan, and focus on quality and customer satisfaction. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your entrepreneurial journey.